So here we have the Lifesavers Big Ring Gummy right here. Figured we'd go ahead and do a little taste test of this with you guys. So tearing open the package there is really easy to open. Here is your ring, a Lifesaver ring with all the little, I guess that's sugar crystals on it. Let's take a bite. So this one right here, the red one, is a cherry flavored. Definitely tastes like cherry flavored cough syrup type of stuff. So if your kids like the taste of medicine, then you might like this right here. Got an easy texture to it though. It's nice and gummy. It's not really like getting stuck in the teeth or anything. It's chewing very nicely. So if you guys like that kind of texture with the like a cherry flavoring to it, definitely go and get y'all some of these. I'm actually kind of impressed by how well it tastes. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.